Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to install these small canards onto the bumper of your Myvi, and after that I'll be showing you guys a demonstration on the function of these canards and basically how it works. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here are the two sets of canards that I'll be installing onto the bumper of my car. This is the largest size and this is the medium size. You can buy these off Shopee at a pretty low price, and they actually sell in 3 pairs, but the small one is actually too small, so I'm just gonna install these two onto the bumper of my car. So as you can see, these canards have double-sided tape so that you can attach it to the bumper of your car. However, these aren't the original double-sided tape that came with the canard. I actually had to replace the tape with 3M tape because the original double-sided tape didn't stick properly. So I replaced all of the double-sided tape with 3M tape so that it can stick stronger and be more secure onto the bumper. So let's get started with attaching this thing onto the bumper. So the function of this canard is to actually direct air over your wheel. So that is why this canard is slightly curved. So once you have your chosen position for the canard, what you want to do is start off by peeling one side to make it attach to the bumper. So let's do that. Just gently peel the tape, exposing the double-sided tape there, and attach it to the bumper. Okay, so as you can see, it is attached already. So now you just take the tip that you peeled off just now and peel it all the way down to remove the rest of the cover. And now that it's attached, what you have to do is just press firmly onto the bumper to make sure that the canard sticks properly. To make sure it doesn't fall off, of course. And that's it. That's pretty much all you have to do to install one of the canard. Now let's move on to the other side and repeat the same thing. So now let's move on to the smaller canard and repeat the process. So just put it at your desired position where you want it to be, preferably following the same angle to make it look nice and consistent. So once you have your selected position of the canard, just repeat the process. Peel one side of the double-sided tape, peel enough so that you can stick it onto the bumper like this. And take the excess double-sided tape cover and pull it all the way down. Okay, now just press onto the canard so that it is secured properly onto the bumper, and of course to make sure it doesn't fall off for whatever reason. But you shouldn't worry too much actually, because the 3M tape that I'm using, and if you choose to replace the original tape with 3M tape, it's high quality tape and is very strong, so you really shouldn't worry about the canards coming off easily. As you can see, it's pretty secure. And now let's move on to the demonstration of the function of the canards. So another thing that I forgot to mention was that when installing these canards, make sure that the wide side of the canard is facing forward. There is actually a good reason for this, which I will explain in the demonstration. Okay, so as you can see from that short demonstration I did just now, you can see that the canards actually makes the water go upwards over the tire instead of just going in a straight line, and that is because of the canard's curved shape. So it helps move the water above and over the tire instead of going in a straight line. And because I put the wider side of the canard facing forwards, it helps in scooping up more water to go upwards. Now, I don't exactly have a wind tunnel to properly demonstrate the functions of the canard, but using water, you can see it's basically a similar result, because water is also free flowing like air. However, I do have to mention that these canards, because they are small, they are more of cosmetics rather than actual functioning canards compared to those larger ones you see on race cars. So because of that, the effect is really small and marginal, so you won't really notice a difference in driving experience. And like I said, if there is any difference at all, it's probably like super minimal and not much difference. So don't expect too much of a difference when installing these canards. They are more towards cosmetics, but they aren't that expensive. So if you're interested in getting them, you can buy them on Shopee. I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, I guess that's all for this video. I hope you found this installation and demonstration video informative. And I guess that's all. Leave a like if you like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.